Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the company Jetty. Now, please note they only have 23 reviews on Glassdoor, but they do have a 4.2 out of 5-star rating. I always suggest you do your own research on a company before giving any of your personal information to it. So, as always, I have linked this Glassdoor page as well as the application page if you are interested in applying down in the YouTube description box below this video. But Jetty is a financial services platform that's making renting homes more affordable and flexible. They've built multiple financial products that benefit both renters and property managers. They are looking for a recovery associate. Now, this is remote for the United States. However, they are looking for somebody who can work East Coast hours, so probably Eastern Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your time to the time zone to see if that will work for you. But this is going to be a customer service type job. They're looking for someone who is a seasoned customer service specialist who's not afraid to get their hands dirty, working to support their in-house adjusters, partners, and policy holders. They're looking for somebody who has prior data entry experience or collection experience. But you'll basically review open and unreimbursed claims and work with the policyholders to set up repayment arrangements either by phone or by email. You'll proactively find ways to resolve any outstanding balances on these claims and policies. You'll update the claim files to reflect the recovered accounts and amounts in those accounts. And you'll be the in-house and recovery is unsuccessful. You'll package files up and send them out to third-party collections vendors or agents, so like bad debt collection agencies. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position. They just want somebody who has 2 years of work experience, someone who has prior customer service experience, someone who can work with Google Suite, Stripe, Zendesk, Snapsheet, all kinds of different software programs. Of course, you have to have strong problem-solving skills with great attention to detail. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview, but it does say you can work anywhere in any U.S. location as long as you can work those East Coast hours. They offer a stipend to cover not only your work from home office setup, they also offer a stipend for childcare and for phone and internet bills. So they are going to pay your internet for you. They offer a standard dental, vision, health insurance package, 401k, and paid time off. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Always feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.